Hi friends, I'm Myra with Vial Designs, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 easy ways you can write July in calligraphy. These ideas are perfect for complete beginners, and you can grab the worksheet that I'm using in the video inside my Patreon at Vial Designs or in my shop. I will add links to everything down below. Let's get started. I'm going to be using 5 different pens for each of the styles, but you can use one regular pen and one brush pen if you prefer. I just want to give you a couple of different options. The first way that we're going to letter July is with Faux Calligraphy. I'm using a Gravy Glitter gel pen for this lettering style, which basically we are writing the letter and then we're adding an outline to the downstrokes and we're filling in those downstrokes. This is what we do to recreate the look of calligraphy using a regular pen. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial on how to do Faux Calligraphy, I'll add the link to my video tutorial down below where I show you every letter of the alphabet and also comes with a free practice worksheet. For the second way to write July in calligraphy, I'm going to be doing Modern Calligraphy, and I'm using the Zebra Foam Wari Brush Pen. This worksheet is for small tip brush pens. I find that these are better for beginners because they are easier to control, and so basically you are adding pressure to the brush pen every time your pen goes down, and then when your pen goes up, you are releasing the pressure. I kept this video real time so you know how slow you should be going when you're doing calligraphy. The third way of writing July is with bounce lettering, and for this I'm using the Calliography Brush Pen and I'm gonna be using the fine tip. I really like these markers for calligraphy because they have 2 different tip sizes in the same pen, so you can experiment with both of them when you're doing calligraphy. Now, bounce lettering is a little bit different than regular modern calligraphy because some of the letters go past the baseline, and this makes some of the letters be more playful and like they're bouncing off the page. The fourth way that we're writing July is with Flourished Calligraphy. This one I think is a little bit more elegant than all the other lettering styles because we're gonna be adding embellishments to some of the ends of the letters, and for this style I'm using the Pentel Fude brush pen. Now for the flourishes, make sure that you take your time. Also, you are passing in between each stroke. This is gonna help you with letter consistency. And just a quick reminder that when you're doing calligraphy, you're supposed to do it slow, take your time, and pay attention as you're doing each stroke so that you can create that muscle memory. And the last way that we're writing July is with block lettering. For this one, I'm going to be using the Monograph Brush Pen, and I'm doing this side again because for some reason my phone stopped recording when I did the previous July. But the good thing is that July is a short word, so you can repeat it as many times as you want for practice. Alright, so these are the 5 ways to letter July in calligraphy along with the pens that I use. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. If you're looking for more lettering fonts or lettering ideas for July, be sure to check out my next video tutorial. I will see you there. Thank you for watching.